mean you need to sit still. With a motion chair, the office worker can fidget to their heart's content. The support structure is engineered for flexibility, which allows the sitter to bounce, tilt and sway. Unless, of course, you get motion sickness. The stem of the chair is springy, and the connection to the seat is elastic. So if you fancy a game of musical chairs, one of these will leave you sitting pretty. Making a motion chair starts with glass-reinforced plastic, a strong and lightweight material. These granules will be used to make the core of the seat. A robot inserts a steel fastener in the center of the seat mold. The mold closes, and the machine melts the plastic and injects it into the mold. The plastic quickly solidifies around the steel fastener, and it becomes part of the seat core. A robot with suctioning grippers retrieves the convex-shaped seat core. A height adjustment lever is assembled in the hole next to the one for the seat stem. A molded plastic top completes the seat core. It's anchored to the core with numerous screws, so even with heavy use, the top should stay firmly in place. The seat core is visually inspected to confirm that it looks solid. Cushioning foam and fabric complete the seat. Roller mechanisms are assembled. These will facilitate the vertical movements of the chair's stem. Using a special assembly tool, the plastic roller and two end brackets are pressed on a metal cylinder. An index is applied to an aluminium support column. This will serve as a guide for setting the tension of an outer spring. The roller mechanisms are inserted in slots at the other end of the column. Strips of fabric tape keep the rollers in place. A pneumatic ram presses the outer sleeve onto the column so that it sits just above the tension index. A screw between the inner and outer cylinders keeps them in position. Next is a compression part for setting the position of the outer seat spring. A metal ring is slid between the compression part and the support column, and a gas spring is inserted into the double-walled seat stem. The outer spring is now slid onto the assembly. A plastic casing is installed over the gas spring. Then the seat stem is transferred to the press chamber. A top collar is added to the center of the gas spring, as well as a snap ring. The press squeezes everything snugly together. Next up is a stand with flexible rubber parts, which will make lateral movements possible while sitting. The flexible stand is attached to a circular base, and the holes for casters in the base are checked to make sure they're the correct dimension. A dial for setting lateral movement is screwed onto the protruding fastener, then secured with a nut and tightened. The nut is covered with a rubber cap. Next, the motion chair is assembled. The stem is attached to the base. Then the seat is fastened to the protruding strut. The range of movement is tested, and the chair's performance is evaluated. This motion chair is now ready for shipping. A hole in the base ring for attaching an optional backrest is plugged for transportation. All the parts of the motion chair can be easily assembled on location. Compelling the sitter to use his or her core muscles, motion chairs keep you fit while you sit. These neat seats are designed to keep you moving in any direction, including up, hopefully, until you're chair of the board.